I'm Dr. Adnaan and I'm a radiation oncologist based at Melomed Bellville and Melomed Mitchell's Plain, and I recently joined the Melomed family in April this year. To be honest, I haven't spoken about my story until recently, with the hope of creating awareness and inspiring others. So for those who may not know, I am a cancer survivor. I was diagnosed with a malignant spinal tumor in 2012, and I was treated with spinal surgery as well as 6 weeks of radiotherapy. It was a long and tough journey, and it tested me physically, mentally and emotionally, and it took quite a toll on my family because I was quite young at the time. But it was through this very journey that I realized that this was a sign from God, that my purpose in life would be to help patients suffering from cancer. And I haven't looked back since. I couldn't have done it without my wife by my side and my parents. And at the heart of this journey was the oncology unit at Grooteskier Hospital, which not only treated me, trained me as well. I was there for over 5 years. 1 year as a medical officer and 4 years as a registrar, and then I stayed on for a bit as a junior consultant. So you can imagine the Grooteskier Oncology unit is close to my heart, and that's why I couldn't just leave there. So I do still attend weekly in a voluntary capacity as a honorary consultant and lecturer at UCT, and that's because I enjoy teaching. I love being part of an academic environment, and I enjoy attending multidisciplinary team meetings, which I think is so important in the management of cancer patients. The journey that I went through as a cancer survivor has shaped me into the doctor that I've become today. It has helped me to sympathize and empathize with patients who are going through a similar journey. Our family is very important to me. My wife is a medical doctor as well. We studied together and we got married in our ComServe year. She is a medical officer at Retreat Day Hospital, and she has a passion for primary health care. We have 2 daughters, Mariam, who's 4 years old, and Maimuna, who's 4 months old today actually. And the 3 of them, with my mother, have basically taken control of my life. I've lost all autonomy, but I absolutely love it. I love spending quality time with my family. My wife and I cook together. She does all the hard work and I just stir the pot. I love cooking in my spare time, and it's also time for myself and my wife to bond. We also love trying different recipes. We love watching MasterChef Australia together, and we love going to different restaurants. And then I love bonding with my daughters. So specifically my daughter Mariam and I, we enjoy gardening together, and we do this thing, we do like a ward round every Saturday, where the 2 of us with the gardener, we walk around the garden and we inspect all our different fruit trees and flowers and plants and make sure they're all okay. And it's a nice opportunity for me to spend quality time with my daughter. So one of the reasons I joined the Melomed Private Hospital Group was that the Melomed hospitals are embedded within our communities, and I'd like to think that I'm a community doctor. I will be offering all types of oncological services from the hospital, including radiotherapy, brachytherapy, chemotherapy, as well as immunotherapy. I will also offer palliative care services to patients who are incurable. I think one of the rewarding things of being an oncologist is that feeling when you can tell a patient that they've been cured of their cancer. I think there is no feeling like that in the world, and I'm just grateful to have that opportunity where I can assist patients during difficult times like this. Treating cancers is a multidisciplinary approach where patients who present with symptoms may initially present to their GP or day hospitals and then get referred to their surgeons or physicians where the diagnosis is made, and then they get referred on to me, where I will then treat them with the appropriate oncological treatment. So I like to think of myself as a well-balanced person. As you mentioned, I love sport. So I've been a Stormers and Springbok fan since I was little. I remember attending all the games at Newlands and now at Cape Town Stadium. I'm also a massive Liverpool supporter. I love what the club stands for. I love the logo, and I just have a message to my patients: you'll never walk alone. Just to add to that, I do see Man United supporters, but at an additional cost. Just kidding.